Consensus on CM candidate would be by morning.
So far nothing has come.
So Sadyaktori kind of nazar. So by when it can be expected?
The whole thing can be expected by tomorrow, 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Not in the morning today.
Most important thing is tomorrow's. Today's. Manoharji's final rights and all those other things have to be done. That is the first priority.
After
this
that,
will follow. It will come in place.
But what about the name of CM candidate? Consensus ba kita zala?
No, so far there is no consensus.
No consensus.
And it will come out by tomorrow.
But a solution would come out.
Solution will come.
Okay.
Solution will come.
What about the coalition partners and also alliance bahad?
See, Sudhin Dhawlikar, Sudhin Dhawlikar also wants to become the chief minister. He has put his demand. That is being worked out. He said, I have sacrificed many a times by supporting the BJP, so he wants to become chief minister. But BJP will not agree to that. So that has to be worked out.
Anything from the Goa forward side? Anything from G side, G5 side?
BJPतल्यान आमचे विश्वजीत राणे and प्रमोद सावंत. फॉरवर्ड अशीन उलोवप चालू आहा आणि तेणी आपले कितें आहा ते मांडलेले आहा आणि तेचेर जे कितें डिस्कशन आहा पळय ते चालू आहा आणि तेंचे व्हडले डिमांड ना तेंचे ऑलरेडी ते तिगूय जाण मिनिस्टर आहा आणि इंडिपेंडंटूय दोग जाण ते मिनिस्टर आहा.
सो व्हेन एवरीबडी इज डिमांडिंग तुमकां दिसता सोल्युशन येतले बेगीन
सद्याक कितें आहा टिल 4 o'clock in the evening 4:30 the final rights of our honorable chief minister जो सोंपलेलो ते इम्पॉर्टंट आहा पयलीं तेजे भायर हे जे कितें जावपाचें तें जातलें फर्स्ट इम्पॉर्टंट ते जाग्यार घालपाक जाय अशें म्हाका दिसता.
बट दिस the issue would be resolved, you feel?
Issue will be resolved.
Okay.
Suspended animation men कितें म्हणटाले सस्पेंडेड एनिमेशन जावचें ना फाल्यां सांज मेरेन कितें आहा तेजेर हे रिजल्ट येतलो.
Okay.